We're good. Okay, good. So, yeah, good afternoon again, Josh, no? So we'll just continue our discussion for the for alkanes, no? This will be the last session for alkanes. Hopefully, I think last naman na because we will be we're actually we're almost finished dun sa PowerPoint. Yun nga lang, before we start, no, before we proceed with our next topic, pasadahan ko lang ulit, no, let's just have a very quick review for that one. Slideshow, and then let me share first this one. And then tell me if you can now see my presentation.
Ito na po.
Ayan, okay. So, last meeting, we started with, ano ang tawag dito? Ayun ang pen. Ayan. We discussed about fused compounds, no? So, or bicyclic compounds. So, we're actually done with the fused one and then bridge bicyclic. So, but basically, they are just, ano, no, the same when we name them. So, bicyclo pa rin naman ang ginagamit natin. If you will recall, meron kang identifier dun sa mga bicyclic compounds mo. Ilang numbers yon? Naalala mo?
Ito mo. Sa bracket?
Yes. Inside yung modifiers mo. Identifiers pala. Ilan? 3. Ano yung first number doon?
First number para sa right side mo. Tapos ang second number sa left side. Ay, or balik.
Tapos?
Tapos yung
Hindi.
number of carbon.
Anong difference ng first and second number?
Either yung first one ba is yung number of carbons sa left of the bridge carbons.
Lagi siyang nasa left lang? Pwede bang yung first number can be associated with the right ring?
Baka po. Basta kabilaan yung number of
Paano? Saan ka mag-i-start magbilang? Papunta sa mag-start ka sa malaki o mag-start ka sa maliit?
Start po sa malaki.
Okay, good, no? Yung first number dun sa identifier mo refers to the larger ring. And then the second number refers to the smaller ring. And then the last number refers to what again?
Yung ano po, number of carbons in the bridge.
Okay. So, please take note, Josh, yung dulo, it will not include the bridgehead atoms. Kasi automatic, ilan yung bridgehead atoms mo, Josh? Automatic, you will have how many bridgehead atoms, Josh?
2 po.
Okay, so hindi yun included, ha? Take note, Josh. For your last number dun sa inside ng brackets, hindi included ang bridgehead atoms. Instead, you will only count the carbon between the bridgehead atoms. So for this one, what is the numbers inside the bracket? Just tell me lang.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 1 po.
Okay, 431. And what is your separator for the numbers inside the brackets?
Comma po. Ay, hindi pala. Yung period.
Correct. Tuldok ha, dot yan ha, period. So, this will become, yes, ano?
Ba't di po comma? Meron mo pong notation with comma?
Yan ang notation ng ng parang style guide siya ng ating ano ang tawag dyan? IUPAC. So for this one,
I want to make your life a living suffering.
So anyway, this will be 431. Okay? And then, what is your prefix for this one? Yan, review na rin to. Ano ang dapat mauna before the brackets?
Bicycle lang yata mo.
Correct, yung bicyclo. Kasi this one refers na bicyclo yung compound. Tapos, sino yung susunod?
Bicycle.
What will be your parent?
Parent chain.
The parent chain is the longest longest carbon chain, di ba? Or yung totality nung ring. So, ilan ba yung total mo? Tingnan mo na lang yung nasa loob. Ilan na yung total so far, Josh? Ang nasa loob.
Total nasa loob.
Sum. Sum
One,
of the numbers inside the brackets.
eight,
Ilan?
eight.
8. So, and then you always include the bridgehead atoms na 2. So, that will be 10. So, anong pangalan nito? Bicyclo 431 decane. So, no need for cyclodecane sa dulo ha, kasi automatic na yun, bicyclo na nga siya. So, the bicyclo there sa prefix refers that you have fused rings. And then, ilan ang total number ng carbons? 10. So that will be bicyclo 431 decane. Okay? So how about if you only have fused? Katulad nito, yung fuse. Paano name nito? What's the name of that one? Bicyclo
Bicyclo 440.
then
Up the back. Decane din mo.
decane din. Okay, no? So, I think we're good with the bicyclos, no? Yung fuse and bridge bicyclic. So, we're actually moving with the styro compounds. So, but before that, yeah. Clear ko lang ang lahat ng aking drawings. Yan. So, this is the rule. If you will remember or recall, ito yung rule natin, no? So, please take note that you will start numbering towards the bigger ring. So, let's say you have here the rings, no? So, you start with any bridgehead atom. So, 1 or dito yung 1. So, you have two choices here, 1 or dito yung 1. However, parang kahit kung saan ka naman mag-start, ganun pa rin naman kasi for this example, wala kang differentiator for the two rings, no? Aside from the size of the ring. So, ngayon, sa size ng ring, we can see that A is bigger than B. So, therefore, you start papunta sa A. So, ang question kasi dito, anong bridgehead atom yung gagamitin natin? Can we use the upper bridgehead atom or can we use the lower bridgehead atom? So, ang sagot dito, Josh, syempre, either. For this example, for this specific example, either. Because you don't have any substituent. And that will give you the same numbering system. So, dito, ayan, nilagay niya ng from the bridgehead atom sa taas, no? The upper bridgehead atom. And then, the numbering system moves towards A, no? Then, iikutin niya yung A, then go to B, the smaller ring, and then the last number will go to the carbon between the bridgehead atoms. Yung parang nasa gitnang carbons mo, no? So, the middle carbon, so these are the carbons between your bridgehead atoms, will receive the least priority when numbering a bicyclic compound. Okay, so remember that, Josh, list mo sa priority yung mga carbons na nasa bridgehead atoms, no? Yung in between the bridgehead atoms, least number mo yan for numbering. Or least priority mo siya. Least priority mo siya for numbering. So, start ka sa mas malaki, then punta ka sa maliit, then last yung nasa dulo. And aside from that, what if you will now have a substituent? Let's say I'll put a metal here. Where will you start numbering? Same pa rin ba yung numbering system mo? Yes, same pa rin yan. What if, so tanggalin natin to. Ay, ayan. What if nandito na yung metal group mo? Ayan. I place here a metal group. What will be the numbering system? Is the numbering system still the same? Ayan. Yan, Josh, nilagyan ko ng numbering system, ay ng metal group, kunwari dun sa original numbering system mo, 5. May metal group ka dun sa 5. Same pa rin ba ng numbering system yan, Josh? Naalala mo pa ba?
Wait mo. Baka. Yes, tama.
Same pa rin? Why?
Why not?
Yeah, that's a good question. It's either why, do you agree na same pa rin siya, and why not? Na hindi na pwede pa rin naman yung numbering system na yan. If you will place there or if you will follow the numbering system, the previous numbering system, your metal group will be at what carbon? Sige, check mo yan. Tignan mo dun sa example, Josh. Nasa ang carbon siya? Carbon number. Yes,
Carbon
Josh?
number 5. So, dapat
5.
una
Okay, so dapat list. So dapat mag-start ka na ngayon ng numbering dun sa
baba.
baba. Like what I mentioned ha, same pa rin naman yan sila eh. So hindi na ngayon to number 6, hindi na rin to ngayon number 1. So this will be number 1 now, and then this will be number 2. Okay? So, and then so on and so forth. So this is actually still 2-methyl bicyclo 4,3,1 decane. Okay? So let me clear all my drawings. Then let's proceed now with the next one. Ayan. So actually ito na yung name natin kanina. We also named these compounds last meeting, no. I also gave you a more complex example for this. So before we proceed with ano nga ito? Spiral compounds, one last example tayo so that we're really sure, no, na okay ka sa naming system ng bicyclo compound. So let's say we'll have here, ay hindi, bibigyan kita ngayon ng, hindi, tama lang. Hmm. Okay. Ayan. Then, ganito. Tapos, ito, then ganyan. Ayan. Mhm. Ayan. Go ahead, Josh. Name that one. Name that compound. That's for number 1.
Mm, okay, so it's a person. So, kaya mauna. And still, dapat yun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait. 1. Mali pala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 pala tama. So, 8. So, octane. And then, sa taas. So, that is 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5,
Sige.
7,
Numberin mo siya.
2, 7, 8. So, 2, 7, and till 2, 7, and till diba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 8, and till
Sige,
bicycle.
you add the numbers. Designate numbers, Josh. I don't need to ito na. Yan. Designate numbers for that.
Wala mo. Wait. Okay.
Okay. Okay, before you name it, sige, kulang pa. Kulang pa yung numbering system mo. A? Okay. Before you name it or before you name the substituents, bakit ganyan ang arrangement ng or ganyan ang numbering system? So
Ineto ko,
bakit hindi yung 1 nasa 6?
inano ko muna yung ano ko, tagal, Ethel.
Okay, good. Alphabetical. So if you will notice here, number 2 is ethyl, no? While number 5, methyl. So if I'll start numbering sa 6, so 1, 2, methyl will get the number 2. So that is not in accordance of the IUPAC rules, right? So according to IUPAC, when you have equal locants, equal location, no? Parang equal numbering siya, go with the substituent alphabetically, no? So 2 will be prioritized for the ethyl substituent instead of the methyl. So that's correct. Okay. 2758 dimethyl. Good. Sige. Just name it. Then that's 421. Good. No need. Okay, so check lang natin. 4, 2, 6, 7. Total is 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, good. So the name for that one is 27-diethyl 5-8 dimethyl bicyclo 421 nonene. Okay, I have E. Question, challenge naman. Ngayon, this time, i-drawing mo yan. Yung 3-isopropyl 4-methyl bicyclo 542 tridecane.
Bro, okay. So, methyl bicycle 5,
Hmm. Okay.
bagal to. Alam mo, nanan. So, ano ko, 4 to 1 nanan. So, it's 5, sabihin it's a heptagon. There's 2, that's 1, 2, baka ganun. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next.
1, 2, 3, 4. O, paano yung ano mo? Yan, bigger yan. So actually, nakuha mo yung technique, no? Ang tawag namin dyan sa technique din ay connect the dots lang eh.
I need drawing heptagon.
Mm-hmm.
Para mahirap sila.
Okay. And then, di pa tapos. O, asan yung numbering mo?
Alam ko na. Kaya na po i-select mo.
Again,
Kaya na po i-select.
I'll move it sa baba.
Select niyo po to. Tapos move it here po. Move it to the left po.
Okay. Sige, I'll try. Ito lang. Ay, again. I
Oh,
know. Ayun. There?
move it a little po to the right. Parang yung medyo lang po. Dito na po.
Ayan.
Dito po. Sabihin mo po yung word po.
Okay. Ayan.
Sakto po. So now, I shall complete my masterpiece. Ay.
Pacman eating a cherry. It looks like Pacman is eating a cherry. Or a rock.
Boulder po.
Yeah. A boulder.
Nice. Nice heptagon po.
Okay.
Okay, so 5
And then, it's not yet done.
3 isopropyl. So, sorry ko ba? Kung 3 isopropyl. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it now. Ito kaya. Oh no! Pwede na po move po to. Mababa. Ito po.
Yeah, move. Wait. Sorry, ako pala. Sige, move ko yan. Ngayon, ang challenge din dito, Josh, if the name is, tingin mo, is incorrect, or incorrect, please correct it. If you think, okay. Do I need to move this more? Ayun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, okay, nag-base ko pa niya. 1, 2, 3. Dito lang 1, 2, 3, dito lang 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4,
1, 2, 3.
Tama naman yata mo.
Okay. So, tama naman yung name. Another way for this, Josh, parang ganito siya. Automatic, kapag bicyclo, Josh, ang ginagawa namin, naglalagay na kagad kami ng ganito, ng dalawang beachhead atom. So, drawing ka na kagad ng dot dyan. Let's see. Control Z. Drawing ka kagad ng dot dito. Ayan. I'll draw a dot here. Then another dot. Ayan. No? This will be your beachhead atoms. And then check mo yung mga numbers inside the brackets. So that will be 5, 5, 4, and 2. So I'll have 5 muna na dots dito. So let's have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tapos sa kabila naman, we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So parang ganyan, no? And then we also have 2 sa gitna. 1, and then 2. And then after nun, connect the dots na lang. So 1, ulit. Dot pala ang dot ko dito ay nasa mas mataas pa. So parang nakuha mo naman na yung technique, no? So parang nagko-connect the dots ka lang. So, kaya ko na dito. Ayan. From here, going to here, then going to here, going to here. Here to here, then that, ayan. So, connect the dots lang talaga siya, Josh. Tapos, ayan. Then, ganito. Okay? Tapos, yung nasa gitna. Okay. And then, better nga yung nagawa mo eh. Yan.
Wallet.
Iyon. So, parang nagko-connect the dots ka lang talaga. So, this will be the bicyclo already. Bicyclotridecane. So, bicyclo 542 tridecane. Doon, lalagyan mo na lang siya ng substituents. Okay? So, last one for the naming ng ano, yung kasi nung last time puro ako yung nagbibigay ng structure eh. Then you name it, no? This time, ikaw naman yung um, mag-drawing, no? So let's have, again ha, if the name is incorrect, please give the correct name for the compound. So let's have 2, 2, 3, dimethyl, 4 ethyl, 4 ethyl, um, 4 ethyl 5 cyclopropyl bicyclo bicyclo 3 3 1 tama ba? Okay, so gawin ko tong 6 cyclopropyl bicyclo 331 367 no name. Go ahead. Ayan. Propose a structure for this one, Josh. And then if mali yung name, give me the correct name. Go ahead. So the given name is 2,3-dimethyl 4-ethyl 6-cyclo propyl bicyclo 331 no name. So please take note, you also have here a cyclic compound, si cyclopropyl. Actually, alam ko, pwede mong ilagay sa inside ng parenthesis yan si cyclopropyl eh. Para hindi ka malilito dun sa cyclopropyl bicyclo. Kasi may term din na cyclo, no? So, pwede mo siyang, alam ko ha, nilalagyan din siya. Pero for the purpose of this one, mukhang clear naman yung substituent ay si cyclopropyl. Go ahead, Josh. Propose sa structure.
Oh, that's a normal one. It's so slow.
Sige, go ahead. Parang you do the same thing dun sa kanina.
Oh, okay. So it was not worth it. There's not the cycle.
Okay. Very quick lang, Josh. One, two, three. Okay. Mhm. Oy, tignan mo yung ring, 331. The name of the ring is 331. Magiging ano lang yan, 321 yan. Ang name ng ring ay 331.
Okay.
Okay, yan.
Parang
Or pwede mo na lang din straight na parang pantay nung other ring. Pahabain mo na lang siya ng onte. Tapos you try to draw it ng parang naka-chair conformation. Later natin gawin. Okay? Yan, good. Okay na yan.
po mga pag-share confirmation I might lose memory.
That's okay.
What? Okay, imposible yata mo. Hindi ba?
Sige, okay lang yon. Tsaka nga i-name mo pa naman siya eh. Okay.
So it's obviously wrong.
Yeah. Kaya i-drawing mo lang muna siya. Tapos saka mo i-propose yung next name or the correct name. Okay, good. Okay, good. Do you need me to move the name? There.
Okay.
So of course, let's answer this text. This is incorrect. So correct ka doon, no? Incorrect. So the name is incorrect. So provide me or give me the correct name for that.
Or enter the cycle properly. One, two, three. One, two, three, four. Mali rin. Ulit. Dapat 2 yung cyclo.
Okay lang yan. Kaya nga ano eh. Yan yung magiging correction mo for that. May mga ganitong items, Josh, sa organic. They will give you the name and then you draw it and then you'll realize, there's an incorrect usage, no? Or the IUPAC rules were not followed when naming the compound. So, ano yan? Typical ano din yan? Typical organic problem. Okay, so what is the correct name? So, sulat mo dito yung correct name. Yan. Anong corrected name niyan? Okay. So obviously that's wrong, right?
So, mali rin po yung structure. What?
Hindi. Tama yung structure mo. Tama na yan. Ganyan siya talaga.
Hindi po, pwede naman
So, paano mo na ngayon na numberan?
pwede naman po dito yung cyclopropyl.
Ay, hindi eh. Pag dyan mo nilagay yung cyclopropyl, hindi niya susundin yung parang incorrect name, right?
So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pa rin po yung magiging 6 yung cyclopropyl po.
Pero, yung ano mo, yung ethyl group mo, magiging 2 na, right? Eh, sinabi niya dyan 4.
Posible nga yata.
Isomer yan eh. Constitutional isomer yan, Josh. Pag nilipat mo na yung cyclopropyl dyan. Yan. Okay lang yan. Kasi incorrect name lang naman siya eh. But actually, you've drawn already the correct structure. However, the name is incorrect because it's not following the IUPAC rules. So how do you name that? Sige, mag-numbering system ka. Mali yung numbering system na yan eh. Where will you start? In what bridgehead atom? The upper bridgehead atom or the lower bridgehead atom?
I-delete po nito yung ano ko. Hindi ko naman delete.
Ang maganda pala tong nabigay kong example, pantay-pantay sila, no? Lahat magkakaroon ng 2 kagad. Okay, kapag diyan ka nag-start, bakit diyan?
Ito po.
Yung name ba na cyclopropyl, hindi siya included? Yung cyclo?
Yata po.
Correct. Hindi yun included. Tama ba tayo?
Opo.
Alam ko hindi siya included eh. Na-note na natin yan last time eh. Na yung cyclo ay hindi included. So kapag yung cyclo no ay naging siya, substituent, titignan mo pa rin yung propyl. Pero alam ko included siya. Check natin. Parang mga third lang siguro yun, no? Yung mga third, iso is included, pero yung third at with. Ayan. Oh, okay. Done. Go ahead.
So, dito.
Okay, what's your correct name? Okay. So I'll remove this I'll select this whole thing, and then, oh, apparently may mga natira pa. Okay, what's the correct name now, Josh? So that we can move on with spiro compounds. Okay, what is the correct name, Josh? Tsaka mali talaga yung naming, no? Kasi inuna niya yung dimethyl. Dapat mauna dyan yung alphabetical talaga. So, 6 si cyclopropyl ang mauna. So, please take note, Josh, yun ha. Alphabetical ang pag-aano ng mga substituents. Pag-present mo sa name nila.
that to
Two.
bicycle.
No. 2 cyclopropyl, good. Then dash or hyphen. 8 ethyl, good. 6, 7 dimethyl. Bicyclo. 3, 3, 1. Okay, good. Then nonane. Very good. Yan. Question. Paano mo yan i-represent na parang naka-chair conformation? Yung parang naka-zigzag siya. Sige, can you try nga, Josh?
Well, I will, baka ma-insane na po ako nun. Pag,
Hindi parang ganito siya, yung, ito yung bridgehead atoms mo. Ay, sorry. Ayan. Ganyan, no? Ayan na yung bridgehead atoms mo. Tapos, nakaganito. Oh, ayan. Nagigets ba to, Josh? Ayan na yung nasa gitna. Ito. Ayan. Tapos, igaganyan mo siya. Oh, then ito, nakaganito din. Ay, Control Z. Pwedeng hindi. Pwede din ganyan. Ayan. Ito, ganito siya. Tapos, pwedeng nandito yung cyclopropyl. Ayan. Then you have here your ethyl group. Then methyl dito. Ayan. So, ganito yung itsura niya, Josh. Parang kung gusto mo ng a better representation. Ayan. Na-imagine mo, Josh, yung ganyan.
Opo.
You can also have your own. Yan. Ganyan siya. So, parang yung pinaka-ring mo ay, burahin ko to, kasi parang ito ay masyadong nakabend eh. Ayan. Itataas ko na lang. Ayun. Oh. Hindi. Control Z. Taas natin. Yan. Tapos. Okay. Ayan. Ganyan. Ayan. Ganito siya, Josh. You try to look at it. Ayan. So, ito yung bridgehead atom mo. Okay. So, I think I can share now, share our discussion, no? Asan na yung natin, discussion natin? Stop sharing ko lang ito. Then, where's my... Oh, it's gone. The presentation was gone. So, I need to present this again. Okay. Then, let me share back. This one, share. And then, let me go to slide. Actually, we're already in slide 90. 89. Okay, good. Ito na. We now move on with the spiro ring. So, sa spiro, Josh, ganito siya ha. Ang spiro mo, ilan ang beachhead atom mo nga ulit? As mentioned dati. How many beachhead atoms for your spiro, Josh? For spiro compounds, you only have one bridgehead atom. Okay? So, one bridgehead atom, yun talaga yung nagko-connect dun sa dalawang rings. And then, dahil ito ay single bonds naman, no? So, parang you can think of, medyo umiikot-ikot yan, no? Or, ang itsura niya ay naka-spiral, no? Kasi nga parang ganito and then ganyan, no? So, two scissors, yung dalawang scissors mo, i-inverse mo sila. That will be the 3D structure of a spiro compound. So, the question here is, how do we name them? So, ngayon, we have this similar rule, no? So, similar rule naman siya. Pag magna-numbering ka, Josh, you start with, this time, with the smaller one. Okay? Papunta ka sa smaller one na. So, mag-start ka sa smaller one and then papunta sa bigger one. Okay? So, sana na ano mo yun, Josh, ha? You start with the smaller one, then punta ka sa bigger na ring. Okay? And then, ay, what happened? Nasaan na yung sinishare ko? Anong nakikita mo, Josh, na sinishare ko? Presentation ba?
Opo.
Okay, good. Presentation?
Nakita ko lang ba yung naming spiral compounds?
Okay, good. Ayan, so. Ngayon na, pero pag nagsulat ka, Josh, it's still the same, no? So, mas piliin mo yung malaking ring and then yung mas maliit and then wala na ngayong sa dulo. Kasi it's impossible for you to have carbons between the bridgehead atoms because you only have one bridgehead atom this time. So, you only have two sides na lang or two numbers ha. So, automatic spiro kagad yan. Kapag nakita mo sa if you will see the numbers inside the brackets and there are only two numbers, spiro compound dapat yon. So, kahit zero kasi yung sa bicyclo, nilalagay mo yon dot zero. Okay? So, maling practice yun dyan siya kapag makikita mo. Bicyclo, open bracket, 4.3, close bracket. Mali yun. Even though the carbons between the bridgehead atoms will be zero for a bicyclic compound, you include pa rin the zero. So you still have three numbers inside. Pag spiro kasi, dalawa na lang kagad yung numbers. Okay, so let's say we'll have this spiro 5 for decade. So the word spiro will replace bicyclo this time. Will replace the bicyclo this time, followed by the larger ring, and then followed by the smaller ring. Okay? Pero when numbering, Josh, like what I mentioned, you start with the smaller ring. Nasa IUPAC rule naman yan. Smaller ring ang uunahin mo kapag spiro. So, dito kasi ha, wag kang malilito dito ha, baka kasi naisip mo, ay ganyan pala mag-name ng spiro. No, we're just counting here the number of carbons not included in your bridgehead atom. So, ito yung bridgehead atom mo, right? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 for the smaller ring, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the larger ring. But if you will take the total of this, 5 plus 4, 9. Then why it's decade? Kasi yung pang-tenth mo, or in other words, the last carbon is always the bridgehead atom. And you only have lone bridgehead atom for spiro compound. So, siya ngayon yung magiging number 10. So, this is spiro 5 for decane. Other examples of spiro compounds are also given. Spiro 4, 3 octane. So, 1, 2, 3, correct. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, correct. So, pag tinotal natin, si 7 plus 1, 8. Total natin, 5 to 7 plus 1, octane. So, spiro 5 to octane looks like this. Parang meron kang cyclo, hexane ring, tapos meron kang nakadikit na cyclopropane ring. Okay?
Start ko on the smaller ring. But what's wrong with the infant?
Ay, hindi ko rin alam yung ano nila. Feeling ko, ang gusto naman nila this time is, pag spiro, yung reverse na property or ruling nila sa, sorry, asa na to? Yung reverse ruling nila sa bicyclic compounds. Okay? So, I'll stop sharing. Before I proceed with this one, magbigay lang ako ng example sa'yo for spiro naman. Okay, I'll go back sa whiteboard natin. And then, let's proceed sa next page. So this time, a spiro compound. Let's say, I'll have a cyclopentane ring. Okay. And then, I'll have a cyclopropane. Ayan. Tapos, ganyan. And ganito. Okay. Sige. Ay, sorry. Ayan. Confirm ko nga lang din yun. Alam ko talaga magni-name ka sa mas maliit. Ah, Natung ako. Ha! Excuse po.
That's a funny looking compound. Para po siyang, para po siyang gumagana mo. Cute po. Sumidan po kayo, wala po kayo.
Prioritize the smaller ring. Laging ganun yung nakalagay sa rules ng IUPAC.
Opo.
For Spyro ha, for Spyro yan. Kasi di ba bigger ring naman yung sa Bicyclo. Pakitandaan yan Josh ha. So eto muna, ako muna magbibigay. Ako muna mag-name nito. So, sino pala ang number 1 mo? Yun muna. Sino yung number 1 mo Josh? Tingin mo?
Number
Is
1.
that your Breached Atom?
This one. Ito po.
Where?
Wait, last
Sige,
na po.
label it.
Wait lang
Label
po.
it. Di ba pag may cyclo or fuse rings, we start with the breached atoms. This time, hindi. Mag-start ka sa carbon adjacent to your breached atom located in your smaller ring. Josh, pakitandaan yun ha. Again, you start with the carbon adjacent to your breached atom located in your smaller ring. So therefore, dalawa yung pwede nating kung saan tayo pwede mag-start. It's either we start here, Josh, or dito. Okay? So of course, you start with the carbon with substituent. So this will be number 1. So ito na yung number 1 mo, yung may ethyl Josh. So this one is 1. Then this will be number 2. Then this will be 3. Okay. Tingnan mo Josh ha, dito tayo magkakaroon ng turning point. I have a question Josh. Ayan na, yung breached atom mo, siya na yung number 3 ngayon, Josh. Where will I go next? Pupunta ba ako dito sa kabila or doon ako sa may substituent?
Sus. Okay, wait lang po. Yun yung tawag na sus. Ano yata po? Parang, maganda yata po. Ano ba?
Kasi nga, di ba, parang dapat mag-spiral siya, di ba? No, flexible ang spirality niyan. You go doon sa may substituent, correct? So this will be number 4. And then this will be 5. This will be 6. This will be 7. Ayan. Okay na. So, the name of this one is, ulatan natin yung name. So, this is only 1-ethyl dash 4-methyl Spyro, then open. Pero pag magpe-present ka, yung mas malaking ring yung maunan, huwag ka malilito doon ha. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.2 heptane. Yeah. This is the name of the ring. 1-ethyl, 4-methyl, Spyro 4,2 heptane. So, ikaw naman ngayon yung magne-name. I'll give you this one. Drawing muna ako. Let's say you have here a Control Z. Let's change it into the dark blue one. Dark blue. I want the dark blue. Okay. Ayan. Cyclohexane tayo. Okay. Yan. And then, this one. Tapos, ganito. Ang pangit. Okay. This one. Yan. Okay.
Yung more.
Tapos, ayan. And then, this time, lagyan ko ng, ayan. Have one this, dito ay ito. Ito ay, ganito din. Ayan. And then, you have here a ganyan din. Okay, sige. Try to name this one. Ayan, Josh. Name that spiro compound. Name that spiro compound, Josh. Tapos, this time, magbibigay naman ako ng, kunwari, ano naman, no? Bibigay ko yung name, i-drawing mo siya. So, let's have 3, cyclobutyl. Tapos, let's have 5, 6, dimethyl. Dimethyl. Spiro.
Isa ano po, isa chicken.
5, 4.
So, 1, 2.
Okay. Yeah, sige, go ahead. Eto ha, eto naman, Josh.
Tama po yung ISO. Hindi yata po, no?
Ha? Kasama ang ISO. ISO and cyclo included sila. This time, ito, ibibigay mo yung structure. Give structure. Ayan. Ano yan, Josh? Decalin?
Benzene.
Benzene yan eh. Wala pa tayo sa benzene.
Ano po, it's a chicken that may
Okay, good. Prioritize ka sa smaller ring. Tapos, number 1C, iso versus methyl. Kasi kasama si yung iso sa alphabetization eh.
Okay, so it's something.
Bakit hindi ka sa magna-number ka ng fifth one, Josh, sa number 9? That's my question. Before you name it, why not place number 5 at carbon 9 in your recent or current numbering system? Why not place 5 sa carbon 9?
Wow, okay. Why not?
Yeah. Or can we have number 5, carbon 5, set carbon 9 into carbon 5? Pwede ba yun? Or will it introduce another change ba? If we will do that? Or they're just the same?
5 dito. They're just the same. They're just the same lang po.
5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good. So, regardless, they will just produce the same result, no? So, if that is the case, either yan. So, pwede na yan yung ginawa mo, mag 4, 5, 6 ka. One, 6, 8. Okay, sige, go ahead, Josh. Finish naming it.
So, ano daw siya? Wala. So, this is 168. Ah, triisopropyl.
Okay, triisopropyl. So 168 triisopropyl, 3-methyl, spiro, good. 3, okay, dot. Should supposed to be dot. Okay. Ah, mali. You begin with the larger ring. Okay, 5-3. Okay, non-name. Okay. Last item for this spiro compounds, Josh. Ayan, 3-cyclobutyl, 5,6-dimethyl spiro, decane, give the structure. If the name is incorrect, please give me the correct name for that. So, similar yan, Josh, dun sa ginawa natin. Can I copy this? Tapos proceed sa next page. Oh, no. Oh, I cannot paste it.
Hindi po.
Oo, kinakopy ko siya, ayan.
Hindi po, tapos ni-copy niyo po yung text.
Okay.
Tapos yun po, maggawa po ulit kayo ng text. Tapos yun po yung iyan nyo.
Okay, yeah. Para mas malawak yung ano mo. Again, if the name is incorrect, Josh, i-ano mo lang siya. Ano ang tawag dito? Bigyan mo ako ng correct name. Ay, napunta pala siya sa 5th page. Yeah, 4th page lang tayo. Okay, go ahead, Josh. Give me the name. Give me the structure.
So, the structure is spiral, 5, 4, 1, 2. So, it's a hexagon and then spiral, pentagon. So, it's a
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I need to move it? This one? The name? Ayan.
5, 6, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Mali pala talaga to. Gawin ko tong 6, 7.
4, 5, 6.
O kaya 7, 7 na. Yan. Sorry, 7, 7, 7.
Yun mo.
Okay. Is this the correct name?
Yes.
Do you think so? Sige. Try mo i-name yan, yung drawing mo.
Okay.
So actually, this is, kitang-kita natin, incorrect to. Okay. So, I'll be asking for the corrected name. Ano kaya ang corrected name? Go ahead, Josh. What's the corrected name? Chill na lang sa'yo yung mga susunod na examples. Kasi nakakapag-name na tayo ng mas complex eh. However, Josh, please take note, we're naming Spyro the fuse rings, no? Or fuse cyclic compounds na puro alkane pa lang yung substituents, no? Where we don't have halides pa niyan, no? So, simple lang din naman yung halides. You don't have alcohols pa. You don't have ethers. O kaya, paano kapag may aldehyde ka na, kapag may ketone? Those will be named, siguro babalikan to ng ano mo, no? Instruct ko na lang din, sabihin ko na kapag start na kami ng naming ng Spyro and ng mga fuse rings, pero wala pang mga heteroatomic substituents or functionalities. Sige, Josh, what is the correct name for that? Dali, para at least hindi tayo mag-OT sa ano mo. Dahil may next class ka.
Opo.
Anong next class mo? Calculus?
Opo.
Okay. Oo, yan ba yung numbering system mo? Yan ka mag-start? Bakit doon yung 1 mo? Why not sa 4? Mhm.
Plus.
Yan. Ako nga, kita ko kagad mali yung pagkakanim ko. Oh, mali! Kasi Spyro yan. You pass the bridgehead atom first. Okay. Okay, good.
Wow, it's
Okay. And what is the corrected name? Yun pa rin ba? Oo nga, no? Tignan mo. 2 lang yung 2 lang yung nagkamali. 2-cyclobutyl, 7,7-dimethyl spyro, 5,4-decene. Okay, good. I'll stop sharing and then let me share the wait, our presentation. Slideshow ulit tayo. Tapos punta ako dito. Let me share this one. Okay. Dahil dyan, alam mo na to, Josh. Sobrang dali lang nito for you. Sige, go ahead. Meron ka naman ng copy nito. Take a screenshot of this one or you can use our copy located in your G drive so that you can name this. Okay? Na-screenshot mo na to, Josh. This is A hanggang J. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So, yung I and J, mga spiro compounds sila. The rest are fuse ring, either fuse ring or bicyclic compounds with bridgehead or bridgehead bicyclic compounds. Ayan. Na-screenshot mo na, Josh? You're good? Or you can take a picture of it. You're good? Okay, I'll stop sharing. This time, you share now your uh your whiteboard. Sige, go ahead, Josh. Ay,
Ano ano yata? Ayun, nakamute pala yung screen ko po nung nag-ano ako.
sige, ayan. Tapos, oh, there you go. A hanggang J. Tapusin mo yan today, ha? A to J. Madali lang yan eh. Kasi ano na lang yan, mas mahirap pa yung name natin kanina. Mas mahirap pa yung mga binigay ko kesa dyan.
Sige po.
Okay? You done?
A is ganon. Hindi mo pwede yung, yung the famous Baron.
Wait, let me check. Ay, naalala ko na yung term dito. Norbonin. Diyos ko po, iniisip-isip ko pa yung nung last time. Di ba sabi ko, may name yan eh. Norbonin, Norbonian system. Norbornin.
Norbolni?
Pero ano yan eh, ang Norbornin ay meron siyang alkene. C7H10. Norbornene.
So,
Yung kamukha niya yung letter A. Pero ang Norbornene ay ganito ang itsura, Josh. Asan yung annotate? Wait. Why I can't see the annotate?
hindi pala po ito yung so parang yung sa yung propeller.
Hindi. Iba pa yan. At saka, oy, grabe yung carbon mo dun sa ano. Di ba yan yung sinabi ko sa'yo na mahihirapan na siyang maganyan. Fuse ring lang yun 3 fuse ring, 3 fuse rings.
Opo.
Mahirap yan kasi ang strain nun, kawawa yung carbon mo.
Bakit mo kawawa?
Tignan mo yung drawing mo, ginawa mo siyang flat, yung mga band angles niya. Gagawin mo mga 90 degrees or 60, 60, 60. Tama ba? Or 120 rather, 120, 120. Yung gitnang carbon, kung 3 rings yon, parang, di ba, I imagine your 3 rings para kasing LEC no? Or blades ng fans. So, it means that carbon, yung nasa gitna, may 120, 120 yun, no? So, ang taas ng angle strain mo. Kawawa yung carbon. Go ahead.
So, ano siya?
I can still see the ito pala annotate. Dito pala. Ito, ganito yung Norbonin. Kasi alam mo, Josh, alkene to eh. Ang dami nitong reaction na pwedeng pagdaanan.
It's even a fuse ring.
Yeah, that's a fuse ring.
Okay.
Bridgehead fuse ring. Yan, ganyan. This is Norbonin. Ngayon, anything na kamukha ng ring na to or ng system na yan, we call that Norbornian system. Ring system. This is Norbornene. Tama ba ako? Nakaka-caps lock. Yep, Norbornene. So, kapag kamukha niya yung Norbornene, Josh, Norbornian system siya. Norbornian ring system. Ito, hindi niya naman kamukha yung Norbornene. Pero hawig-hawig na. Isa lang ang problem mo lang dyan sa letter A, isa lang yung carbon. So, that's the right side ng bridgehead atoms. Okay, go ahead. Name mo yan. Dahil dyan, I cannot select this pala. Yun pala ang power talaga nung no. O, ilagyan mo ng name, letter A ha. Dinodrawing mo ba ulit? Isa-isa. Yeah, okay. Ikaw bahala. Kung saan ka madadalian.
Mel, sama ka. Sana makasama ka.
Yes, sir. Inaano ko nga po, highly considered ko yung event. Tsaka birthday po yan ni Josh eh. Once a year po ang mga birthdays. Very po ako dyan, particular pag mga birthdays.
Julie, sa rin eh, sa 7 naman pero sasabay na lang.
Okay, sir.
Attractions, 39 attractions daw dun eh.
Sa ano to? Aqua Planet ba ito, sir?
Google mo yung mga videos niya na.
Nakapag Aqua Planet na po yung sister ko, ano naman siya? Okay daw, maganda daw po yung ano lugar.
Sa yung lugar.
Marami po yung parang water park yun, no,
Oo,
sir?
at saka ano,
Mm.
Monday hindi ka malilate kasi 10 to 5 lang siya eh.
Yeah, okay.
Pero we need to be early daw, siguro mga before mag-open kasi dapat maka-ano tayo ng locker. Dahil pagka
Yeah.
makapasok ka, hindi ka pwedeng
Nakapila din yun, sir, for sure.
oo, kasi sabik yung mga tao eh, from pandemic.
Oo.
Pero siguro mas konti yan than Saturday. Saturday siguro.
Yep.
Tapos kain lang tayo, tapos hahatid namin ikaw sa ano yun sa bus terminal na.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Sige po. October 15 yan, sir, right?
15 Sunday,
Okay po. Si Ate Julie pala ay October 7.
October 7.
Si
Kaya
Josh po ay October
mismo 15.
15. Nice. October 15 pala si Josh.
Either pwede rin tayo sigurong pwede rin tayo anticipated mass ng Saturday or pwede rin
Oo.
after 5 o'clock mayroon pa tayong maabutan na siguro sa Angeles no na simbahan.
Okay lang, sir. Sunday po iyon, no?
Pagka doon ka na lang namin sunduin sa bus terminal sa Dau.
Okay, sir. Sige po. Bali, ang mangyayari, sir, biyahe na lang po ako ng, let's say, early Sunday morning, then sa Dau, sir. Kasi kung alis po ako sa Valenzuela, at 10 pa naman, sir, di ba? So, anong plan po natin, sir, na mga dapat nandoon? Mga
Na
9:30, sir?
9:30 siguro nandun na tayo. That's the latest.
Saan nga, sir, ang Aquaplanet? Tarlac din po ba?
Sa Clark,
Sa Clark. Okay. Sa Pampanga po pala.
Panga siya sa
So, mga ano pala ito? Ilang oras mga 2 hours siguro, sir, from sa amin hanggang Dau eh.
Dau.
So, kung 9 po ay dapat nandoon na, so dapat mga nakaalis po tayo sa Dau ng mga 8, no? Tama po ba?
More or less mga 30 30 to 40 minutes kasi hanapin lang natin siya. Yeah, we've never
Okay. Sige, sir. Okay, sir. Sige, biyahe po ako ng mga around 5 a.m. para at least maaga na lang po ako. Maghintay na lang po ako doon.
6 siguro I
Okay,
think
sige, sir.
baka masyadong maaga yung 5 Pero si Di Vincent daw agahan niya sabi niya Kasi hindi pa siya, sabi ko, tatalon ka, sabi ko, ako kasi actually, kundi si Joshua at si Julie family ko, I
Oo.
would do those things, sabi ko,
Oo nga, sir, kasi ano po yan, ang tawag doon, may mga extreme.
Ako, takot ako sa heights Kaya lang,
Yung mga sobrang taas.
kaya sa Cebu, kaya nakatalon lang ako kasi just to show Joshua na niloloko niya pa ako before we went there. Sa out ako, sabi ko sa 1 week before kami pumunta, yung tatalon sa cliff diving, di ba?
Yes.
I was apprehensive for 1 week, sabi ko, no? Pero kaya lang, sabi ko, hindi, ganito talaga yung mga magulang tatapangin ko para baka si Joshua umayaw, sabi ko, no?
Yes, sir.
Kaya doon, actually ako, sabi ng guide, ito, safe yan. Tapos may tatalon na guide para
Oo,
i-demonstrate.
para gagayahin, no?
Oo,
Para ma-rest assured yung mga customer na na okay, safe po iyan.
mga foreigner, yung mga Korean, mga babae, nauna sa lisa Sabi ko, nakakaya naman. Sabi ko, sige, hindi na ako tumitingin kasi pag tumingin ako, matatakot na ako.
Oo, yes, sir. Talon na lang kaagad, no?
Talit na, sabi ko, kaya, si Joshua, kung inedit pa nga namin yung in-upload namin na video, tsaka si Julie. Baski si Julie, mas matapang loob nun sa akin, pero nung nandun na, sabi ko, sabi ko, patay na kung patay. Doon lang ako ng nakapag na ako parang yung bike na sa nagpagko-cross ng mountain, pero di pala ako nag-zipline pero katabi ko si Joshua. Kundi ayoko talaga.
Parang okay pa sir yung zipline talaga eh. Kasi at least may tali-tali. Pero yan kasi sir, tatalon ka lang eh.
Oo nga, tatalon ka. Ang taas, sir, sa Cebu.
Yung sa Cebu sir. Sa may ano to sir, di ba? Yung sa malapit sa Oslob. Tama ba?
Oo, malapit sa Oslo, sir. Yes,
Oo.
sir. Ano, sir, yung mataas, siguro mga between 35 to 40 feet.
Ang taas nga sir.
But si Julie tsaka si ano na-intimidate, mas matapang sila sa ako kasi hindi na ako tumitingin talaga. Nakita ko tumatalon yung mga babae. Siguro kaya ko rin yan, sabi ko, no? Para matapos na. Takbo na lang ako, tapos hindi ko na, pinipikit ko yung mata ko eh. Pagka jump ko, hindi ko na tinitingnan, sabi ko, total, just, parang 2 seconds lang, nandun ka na sa water eh. Pero ito,
Oh.
parang yata to, parang meron mat eh, na uupuan ka sa aquapan.
Depende yata sir sa ano, water activity na sasakyan mo.
Ako
Or
gusto,
gagawin mo. Meron nga sir, alam ko yung parang nakatayo ka lang, tapos parang alam mo sir yung elevator, pero wala kang tutuntungan, yung biglang aalis yung ano, tapos biglang laglag ka.
sabi ko, baka yun ang hindi ko
Dapat,
kaya.
dapat, ito po yung schematic ko po ng gagawin ko. Ito po.
Ayan, ganyan.
Ito po, you. Tapos ito po yung pahulog po.
Oo.
Malakas ba loob mo, Mel, sa ano, high? Ako, baka hindi ko kaya yan. Baka sa
Medyo naman sir, okay naman po. Sa mga ano, roller coaster naman ako. Pero
atake.
syempre sir, ano ang tawag doon, parang nung mga kabataan ko, okay pa sa akin yun eh. Ngayon siguro sir, baka mapapaisip ka na. Okay, good. You're doing good. Sige, go ahead. I'll just check that basta mabigay mo na yung lahat ng names. Siyempre, kapag meron kang mali dyan, Josh, itama lang natin siya. Hindi naman to ano hindi pa naman to prob set. So, okay lang yan. Tulungan kita dyan sa pagmali.
Tulingan po sa guys yung nililito ko. What's this? Smart pen. Okay. Okay. Oh my God! What the hell? Okay, wait lang. No way, it's in this. Wait lang.
Wow!
Maganda
Ano
to.
yun? Paano ano yan, Josh?
Smart pen.
Yun below the teaser. Parang third na doon sa side panel.
Kaya sir, up. Tapos,
Yun, di ba may T? Tapos yung una parang cross, tapos ang T. Tapos
okay.
above,
May
above the,
draw, sir?
may cross, tapos ang T on the right side panel, no? Tapos below the T, yun ni Joshua, smart pen.
Wow.
Smart. Wait lang. Wala ako. Baka, kasi sir, sa kanya sir yung ano yung
Bagong
whiteboard. Kanya sir yung whiteboard.
Okay. Anong whiteboard na Zoom? Ano Zoom board? Galing, eh.
Nice.
Okay. Ano po? Wait lang po.
Tama
Wait.
pang
Yes sir. Sobrang makakatulong yan sa Chem.
Chem tsaka geometry.
Oh, no. Go ahead. Hindi niya kaya yung mga bicyclo. Ayan, Spyro lang. Spyro siya.
Kaya po, sort of. Kasi meron naman po, I have the power of move.
Last year, ikaw lang yung kasama namin sa more or less, October yata yun sa Ongpin tayo, more or less, no? More or less.
Yes sir, no last year. Pero sir, di ba nung nag-caving tayo, kasama na si Sir Vince noon?
Oo, pero hindi yun sa Ongpin parang birth month nila Joshua yata yun eh.
Ah, okay. Oo nga.
Si Vince pala ngayon lang siya ano parang nung bata siya hindi siya nag-aano eh. Ewan ko kung hindi sila lumalabas or sabi niya ngayon lang siya nakakaganyan eh.
Nakakagala-gala, sir.
Oo. O baka busy yung parents niya sa work or
Oo.
sabi
Tapos baka sir na ano din, no? Taong bahay or batang bahay lang siya dati.
tapos hindi ko nga natanong kung ilan edad niya nun nung last Sunday I was planning to ask kung ilan yung edad niya nung nawala na yung parents niya.
Mm. Parang
Ano
nakita ko, sir, same ba yung sir, yung fun run na sinalihan nyo dyan, sir, sa Tarlac?
sa Clark kami.
Same ba yon sir?
Nung inano
Yung
sa
fun run na yon? Kasi nag-post din nun si Sir Vince eh. Tapos
same.
sabi ko,
Tama.
magkasunod kayo nun eh. Nakita ko, ay nag-post si Kuya Jay. Tapos sumunod si Sir Vince, same fun run ito. Pero hindi na kayo nakapagkita, sir.
Yeah, pero sinama namin siya doon sa vlog kasi yung kinuha namin yung pictures niya.
Ah,
Ano kasi 21K naman siya.
grabe yan. Lakas, 21K.
Grabe, lakas. 21K. Kaya kami, umuwi na kami agad. Sumabay sa pamangkin ko eh.
Sakit sa paa.
Sakit sa paa.
Na-imagine ko pa lang yung 21K, masakit, nasasaktan na yung paa. 5K pa nga lang yata, sir, baka hindi ko na kaya. I mean, kaya ko naman siya, sir, pero alam mo yung pag baka 10K, ayun, ngalay na ako nun.
Yung average ni Julie tsaka ni Joshua, dapat sa 5K, ano sila, top 5. Si Joshua naligaw lang eh. Nagkamali siya. Sir, ang bilis, super bilis ako, number 28 ako eh. Si
Nice.
Joshua, hindi ko man siya nakikita. Ang bilis niya, super. Sayang nga, he wanted to be ayun, placer talaga. Sabi ko, di
Si
ba?
Ate Julie mabilis din yata.
Kaya lang, sabi ko,
Athletic si Ate Julie eh.
mabilis sila eh. Ang 5K nila, kaya nakapag 21 minutes na yata sila
Grabe,
eh.
ang bilis. 5K, 21
First
minutes.
place, 19 minutes and 59 seconds. Let's say 20. So, talaga sila, yun ang hinahabol ni Joshua eh. Sabi niya, kung next time, baka kaya ko pa yun. Sabi niya, pagka nakita ko siya na yun nandun, kasi yun mga iba mabilis tapos
Mabilis yan, sir, talaga. Parang pinakamabilis ko na sa 5K, 30 minutes yata, sir, or less. Mga 25 to 30 minutes. Pero mabilis yan, sir, 20 minutes, 5K.
Pati less than 30 ako,
Hindi po masyadong mabagal po si
34 minutes,
yung po, masyadong mabagal
number
po yung
28 eh.
Number 28?
Oo, rank 28 ako. Ako siguro yung mga in-overtake ko mas bata na sa akin eh.
Mga ano yun, sir, literal na sumali sa fun run. Fun lang talaga, sir.
Oo, yung mga fun. Talagang may mga bata kasi finisher kaya lang yung time nila na talaga parang lagpas na yata sa limit eh. Ako na yun, pagka nag kami ng sports, mas mahina na ako this year eh. Ako na yung kulelat sa kanilang ni Joshua ni Julie eh. Dati si Joshua yung mas mahina eh. Ngayon talo na ako eh.
Ano na, sir, sa time naman na daw nila.
Kaya nga sir, na talaga.
At saka, sir, ang mas mahalaga, ma-check and ma-monitor mo talaga, sir, yung health. Okay
Kaya,
naman yan, sir, na exercise lang. Wag lang din too much.
oo, kaya nga ako sabi ko,
Kasi hindi nyo naman, sir, ano yan living, yung make it for a living, yung sports eh. Baka nga, sir, sa kagustuhan, no? Na puwersa masyado. Oo.
may sa ibang panda may na-atake eh sir.
Ha? Yes, sir?
May naatake sa ibang fun run. May naatake sa
Yun nga, sir. Yun yung iniiwasan natin. Talagang dapat fun run lang siya.
fun run. Fun run. Ako, ano eh, meron ng, in bandang huli, kaya bumilis lang ako. Ano ko, takbo lakad. Kaya lang ako takbo. Yan sa akin talaga, super
Hmm.
takbo talaga. Tapos sa maglalakad. Tapos sa yung mga babae, basta parang apat yata sila, inuunahan nila ako pag ano, sila constant na hindi humihinto, jogging.
Oo.
Eh, yung last turn na, nakita kong ganun, malapit na yun, finish line, sabi ko ano, nakita ko sila, parang nag-slow down. Sabi ko, pagod na sila. Takbo ako, in-overtake ko sila. Ang gagawin nila, gusto nila overtake ako ulit. Kaya lang sabi ko, parang may hinaan sila. Ah, tutuloy ko ba to o hindi? Kasi sabi ko baka naman ma-atake ako. Nag-aayos ako sa utak ko eh.
Oo.
Pero ano, sabi ko, ano lang, tuloy-tuloy lang ako, kaya ko to. Sabi ko,
Yeah. Ano lang, sir, yung talagang basta kaya lang ng katawan, sir.
kaya lang. Kaya yun, low fat. Maganda rin sir yung low fat eh. Kasi ganun yung nakakatakbo pa akong ganun.
Ay, wait. You're done na, Josh? So that we can move on. Ay, hindi pa. Last na yata.
Dali na pala po to kaysa yung binibigay na po. May substitute ko po. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Meron yung bang ano, kunyari yung microplastic, does it, ay wala.
Yes po, sir. Ayan, tapos na pala si Josh. Okay. Pwede na natin siguro i-check kung mag-is para we can have letter A is bicyclo 211 hexane. Okay, good. So, ayan. Check. Tapos, letter B is bicyclo 321 octane. Okay, good. Letter C. 210. Okay, pentane. Ang letter C, Joshua, yung letter C, ang common name niyan, hulaan mo anong common name niyan, tingin mo. Letter C. This one.
Housing.
Very good. That's housing.
Wow, really
Yeah,
nice.
yeah, yes. That's the IUP, that's the common name. And accepted ha, kapag mga common name, Josh, accepted yan ng IUPAC.
Ano po, dapat
Housing.
sabihin na po, I'm gagawa po kayo ng iba-ibang mga crazy, mga age.
So, housing yan, housing. Letter D muna tayo.
3 is fishing.
2, 2, 2. Oh. Okay. 2, 2, 2. Octane. Correct. So, letter D is also correct. Oh, wait. What's happening? Okay. Balikan ko yung letter I mo, ha? And then, we have letter E. 330. Cis bicyclo 330 octane. Very good. Letter F.
Dapat, ito po,
Uy, wala ka pang letter F.
pag ito po, window pane.
Letter F, nakalimutan mo siya.
Pwede po po. Pwede kaya po pangalan mo.
Ano? Window P. If you can synthesize that, I guess.
Wow, ano po, ito na po yung my life mission.
At saka ang hirap niyan, Josh. Kasi sobrang, dinikit-dikitin mo yun. Lahat sila fuse rings, tapos halos 90 degrees yung ano. What? Get. Oh, bicycle yan. I'll move on with okay, bicyclo 110 butane. Good. The letter G, bicyclo 111 pentane. Very good. Letter H,
Ano po, Bert?
bicyclo 433 dodecane. Very good. The letter I, spiro 52 octane. Very good. The letter J, pa-check ng letter J, Josh. Check your answer for letter J.
Sige po. Letter J.
Yep.
Letter J. Ano ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Cyclo 110. Okay, so it's very correct. Ito na yun.
Are you sure it's correct?
Ito na.
Check mo yung name mo.
What?
Ayan.
Ayan mo.
Check mo ulit.
Pang. No. Okay. Now that's better. I hate it already. So,
Spyro. Good. Okay, ang tamang sagot ay Spyro 3,3 heptane. Okay.
Bert
Again, what's that?
KJ.
Fishing. Letter I ba yan? Letter I looks like a fish, so fishing. Parang hindi ko alam kung may fishing. Oh, let's see. Meron mga naman, di ba? Minsan kasi, inaano yan eh. Merong mga ganyan eh.
Mga outrageous na news.
Na alking. Walang fishing. Sad. I'm
Ito,
sad.
elevator botany, mga ano ko, mga...
Meron talaga housing. Bicyclo 210 pentane. Walang fishing. Sayang. Pero mahirap gawin yung mga Spyro eh. Ako sa synthesis pa lang nakikita ko na looking sa mga itsura nila, it's quite difficult for us to synthesize Spyro compounds. Challenging yan. Anyway, sige. Let's move on with our next topic. Punta lang ako sa aking presentation again. Ayan. Ito maganda tong topic na ito. Ayan. Can you now see the presentation, Josh? Kita?
Opo.
Ayan. Okay, good. Kita na siya. I-on ang pen. Okay. So ngayon, ang susunod kasi, Josh, ay oxidation reduction reactions ni alkanes, no? Technically speaking, your alkanes can only undergo two reactions. Based sa aking pagkakaalala ha, yes, two reactions lang ang kaya mong gawin ng alkanes mo. Tingin mo, Josh, bakit? Why do you have a very limited number of reactions for alkanes? It means they are really among the functionalities or among the organic functional groups, though alkane is not a functional group per se, because that will form the backbone of your organic compounds, alkanes will have the very least amount of reactions. Why do you think so?
I don't know.
Bakit kaya? Babalik ka ngayon sa properties ni
Okay,
alkane.
sige po.
That's a good question, no? Bakit kaya yung mga alkanes, unreactive sila compared to your other functionalities or organic compounds? What do you think is the reason?
Mm, mm,
Sige, kaya mo yan.
I don't know. Wait mo. Ano kaya?
Ano, I don't know.
Mm, mm, mm.
Yes, what do you think is the reason, Josh? Tingin mo ano yung reason?
Bakit kaya po? Yung
Sige, go ahead. Paano ba magkakaroon ng reaction? Can you tell me how can a reaction will happen? Usually, reactions will involve what? Sige, babalik ka ulit dun sa basic. Nakapag ano na tayo. Sa GenChem, sobrang dami na nang na-meet mong types ng reaction. Meron kang synthesis, analysis or decomposition, single replacement, double replacement, combustion, neutralization, redox, all those reactions. Madami-dami yun, no? So, ano bang nangyayari during reactions? You are actually anong involved sa reactions, Josh? Molecularly speaking, paano ka magkakaroon ng reaction?
magkakaroon ng reaction.
Yeah. Wala, punta ka sa, kunwari hindi na tayo lalayo sa reaction din ng alkanes. Let's say combustion. So let's say methane o kaya ethane. When you react that one with oxygen, you'll produce carbon dioxide and water. So what happens to your ethane? Kapag combustion, you have what? Nagkakaroon kasi ng, okay, go ahead, Josh. What happens during reaction, a chemical reaction?
Nagkano po yung mga bonds?
Very good. Yung mga bonds ay nagre-rearrange, no? So, actually, hindi nga rearrangement eh. Yung atoms yung nagre-rearrange. Ang bonds mo, either napuputol or nabubuo. So, you have bond breakage and bond formation. Okay? So, ngayon, you have the breaking of bonds and formation ng bonds. So, ngayon, balik ka sa alkanes. Ano ba ang bonds na meron ang alkanes? Kasi Josh, magiging ano mo ito, foundation mo ito hindi lang sa organic, pati sa biochem, even yung analytical and physical chemistry. Kasi mga physical properties ito eh. Ito nga chemical properties na eh. We're dealing with the chemical properties of alkanes. Why do you think so? What type of bond is present for alkanes? Alkane. So, ibig sabihin CH lang yan sila. You can only have the CH bond and the CC bond.
Okay. So, kung yung
Wala pa dyan yan sa slide. I'm just asking you, why is the alkanes, by observation or experimentally, they have fewer reactions compared to your other organic functionalities. Let's say, punta ka lang kay alkyl halide, ang dami na kagad yung reaction. Parang 8 kagad yung kaya kong ipangalan na reaction doon. Tingin mo, bakit? Yes, Josh? Anong type nga ulit ng bond ang meron ng alkanes?
single bond.
Single bond. And I mean, what type of chemical bond? Correct naman, single bond yun. Single, carbon and hydrogen, carbon-carbon. Those are what type of bonds? Anong type ng chemical bond yun? CC, CH.
That's ano ba?
Ano? Base it also in their relative electronegativities. Ayun na yung clue mo. May electronegativities na akong binanggit. So, malalaman mo na kagad dapat yung type ng bond ng CC and CH.
Oh no.
Do they have very close electronegativities?
Yes. Dapat mo.
Yeah, kasi if I'm not mistaken, 2.1 si hydrogen, 2.4 yata, or 2.5 si carbon, if I'm not mistaken, or if I remember it correctly. So, the difference will be around 0.4 lang. So, anong type ng bond ang meron? Because they almost have the same electronegativities, they will have what type of bond? Yes, Josh, anong type ng bond?
Yung type ng bond. Double bond.
Oh, no, you don't have a double bond there. Alkanes pa lang tayo.
Ano pa rin mo?
Ha? Anong type lang ng bond ang present sa alkanes? That is what I'm asking.
Single bond pa rin po.
Yes, anong type ng single bond? Anong type ng single bond, Josh?
Yung type ng single bond? CC.
CC and CH. And those CC and CH bonds are what type of bond according to their chemical nature? Uy, chemical bond lang ito, Josh. Anong type ng chemical bond ang present sa CC and CH?
Ano ba po yung what type? What's the type?
Hindi ito nagre-refer sa singularity or the number of electrons present in a bond eh. Kasi di ba pag single bond, you're only sharing 2 electrons. Pag double bond, 4 electrons. Pag triple bond, 6 electrons already. I'm asking for the chemical nature of the bond. So what are the type of bonds? Naalala mo pa ba? Chemical bonds.
Ano po?
That's very basic. Mga types ng classification of bonds. Types of bonds.
Single bond. Ano po yung SP?
Hindi siya single. Hindi yan nagre-refer. I'm not referring to the number of electrons. I'm now referring to the nature of the bond. Hala, combination. Ano ang carbon? Anong type ng element? Sige, babalik kita sa basic. Hangga't di mo yan nasasagot. Anong type ng carbon anong type ng element ng carbon? Yes, Josh? Dali
Ah,
para maka-move on tayo sa slide na ito.
ano po?
Anong type ng element ng carbon?
Anong type ng element po? Ano ba, ano ba siya? Non-metal.
Okay, hydrogen.
Non-metal din po.
Combination of non-metals.
Parang ganun po.
Ano?
Kung ano ba.
Combination of non-metals. So, carbon, hydrogen. Anong type ng bond yung nandun?
Covalent. Kala ko po.
Covalent. Ay, hindi pa tayo tapos. So,
Hindi
ang
ko po
covalent
na-dito.
bonds ay meron pang type ng bond. Si carbon, ang electronegativity niya ay 2.5, si hydrogen ay 2.1. The difference will be 0.4. By rule of thumb, anong type ng covalent bond yan? Anong type ng bond ang CC at CH bonds, Josh? So I'm looking now for the specific covalent bond. So you have CC and CH.
CH.
CC and CH. Anong type sila ng covalent bonds? Dalawa lang naman yun.
Non-polar, polar po.
Okay, good. Ano
Ah,
ang CC and CH?
non-polar po.
Okay, good. If you have non-polar covalent bonds, usually what will happen to the polarity of the molecule?
Hindi rin
I'm
po,
now asking the polarity naman ng buong molecule this time.
hindi rin po siya polar.
Okay, good. Non-polar din, no? So, automatic kasi sa alkane, ang alkane mo, they are only consist of CC and CH bonds. And CC and CH bonds are all non-polar covalent bonds. So, therefore, if you will form a molecule, we expect here that alkanes are basically non-polar molecules. And we know, kung non-polar molecule yan, Josh, sobrang inert, no? Kumpara kung i-compare mo sila sa other compounds, they're inert. So, in reality nga, or experimentally speaking, Josh, no, alkanes will be, parang siya yung noble gases mo for organic chemistry, no? So, alkanes will have few reactions, no? So, baka isipin mo, sobrang konti pala ng reactions si alkanes. Hindi naman, baka nga may mga name reactions na for alkanes na gumagamit, let's say, ng mga catalyst or any other advancement in chemistry so that these unreactive molecules, yung alkenes, will be transformed into another functionality. But so far, due to the non-polar nature of your alkanes, they have very few reactions, no? So, regardless, mapapansin mo ngayon, regardless of functionality na ito mapapansin mo ngayon, nababawasan yung hydrogen mo kapag nag-i-introduce ka, Josh, ng functionality. Let's say the simplest functionality will be alkyl halides. Can you give me the simplest alkyl halide of methane? What's the simplest alkyl halide of methane?
Metal po. Metal chloride.
Correct. Chloromethane. What happens when you form chloromethane? Just describe it. Ano nangyari? From methane, naging chloromethane.
Methane, naging chloromethane. Nagkaroon ng na-replace yung hydrogen.
Okay, good. Nagka-substitution, no? Na-replace yung hydrogen ng chlorine. So ngayon, may tanong ako, susunod na tanong. Sino kaya ang mas oxidized, Josh? Chloromethane or methane?
Methane. Wait lang po.
Sino mas oxidized? Si chloromethane or yung methane?
Mas electronegative po si chlorine. So, oxidized.
Okay. Okay, good. That's a good idea. So, chloromethane or in general, alkyl halides are more oxidized compared to alkanes. In fact, ito ngayon yung pinakasagot din dyan. Patandaan nito, Josh, very basic ito sa organic chemistry. Alkanes will be the most reduced form of carbon. si alkanes. Kasi lahat sila CC and CH lang. To be fair, methane ang pinaka-reduced form ng carbon. Wala ka ng ibang makikitang reduced form ni carbon na may H pa. Baka kasi isipin mo, oh sir, you have diamond, you have graphene, you have fullerene. Those are not compounds anymore. Allotropes na yun ni carbon, no? So, eto may hydrogen pa eh. So, you have methane as your most reduced form. Yes, go ahead. Yan. Most reduced form siya ng carbon. Parang nakamute ka, Josh.
Hello po.
Yes. Yeah, go ahead.
Iba pong hydrogen na diamond po, parang diamond pero may hydrogen po ng water.
Kung magiging compound na siya, technically para sa akin, compound na yun kasi combination na siya ng mga elements. Basta naka-attach yung hydrogen mo dun sa diamond. Pero parang ganito kasi siya eh. Parang pag titignan mo yung bulk niya, the inner surface of your diamond, ay hindi inner surface, the inner composition of diamond will still be CC, all CC yon. Allotrope pa rin naman siya. Pero kung iisipin mo nga naman, yung surface ng diamond, sir, continuously, let's say, naka-phase siya sa air, no? So, pwede siya ma-oxidize. Let's say, magkaroon ng hydrogen, oxygen. So, we can say na with a little degree, no, of oxidation, yung surface lang ni diamond ang compound. Pero the rest of the diamond will be allotrope. Sa akin by technicality technical definition. So, yung pinaka-surface lang ni diamond, yung pwede nating i-consider na compound. Pero in a practical sense, diamond is just an allotrope of carbon. Hindi siya compound ni carbon. Okay? So ngayon, ito yung shortcut dahil for na rin, for O3 na, lagot ako sa next teacher mo. So ganito dyan siya, kapag nababawasan ka ng hydrogen, the more hydrogens being lost as you move from one functionality to another functionality, it means you're oxidizing the compound. So parang ganito siya, parang yung sa din natin, redox reaction. Pag nakikita mong dumadami yung oxygen, now oxidize yung compound. Example, katulad nito from alkane or methane to be specific, naging alcohol, methanol. Then from methanol, naging formaldehyde. Then from formaldehyde, naging formic acid. Then from formic acid, naging carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is the most oxidized form of carbon. You always remember that si CO2 ang pinaka-oxidized form ng carbon. Kaya nga si CO2 ang product mo kagad automatic sa combustion. Because combustion is actually a redox reaction. Diba? Redox pala si combustion. Kasi from alkanes, nagiging CO2 siya. So, na-oxidize yung mismong alkane mo. Tandaan mo yan kasi madalas kapag ginawa ko na yung tanong o kaya sa mga contest or mga quiz bee, magugulat sila, hindi nila naaalala na ang combustion is actually a redox reaction because you're starting from alkane, a reduced form, then ending up with carbon dioxide, an oxidized form. Okay? So ngayon, the reverse will happen. Kapag dumadami ang CH bonds mo, reduction ang reaction. Okay? So yun lang muna yung natin as introduction for organic reactions, Josh, because we'll have a separate we'll have a separate topic for organic reactions. Parang basics of organic reactions, no. This time, pakitandaan lang na as you are losing the hydrogen atoms, you're actually oxidizing the compound. But if you are increasing the hydrogen atoms, you are reducing the compounds. And that's the reason why alkanes will be the most reduced form or the most reduced organic functionality, though hindi nga ulit siya organic functionality per se, siya ang pinaka-reduced form ng mga organic compounds, alkanes. Thus, onti lang ang kanilang reactions din. Okay? So, if you will change hydrogen into something else, let's say Z. So, Z here represents another element other than hydrogen. Let's say oxygen yan, nitrogen man yan, phosphorus. Regardless yan, Josh, nang ino-oxidize mo na siya. Okay? You are oxidizing already the organic compound. So, next meeting, magpapadala din ako. Baka ang next meeting pala natin, Josh, ay Saturday. I'll try to meet you on Saturday, ha? Magme-message ako. Last Saturday pala, nakalimutan ko yun na wala sa ano ko, sa isip ko yung schedule natin. Pero this Saturday, makikita tayo. Kasi tomorrow, Josh, may important meeting lang din ako sa afternoon. So baka hindi kita ma-meet, no? At baka late din ako makauwi. So, Saturday na kita imi-meet. We'll continue discussing reactions ni alkane. So far naman, ang nilista ko lang dito ay combustion pa lang. Meron pa kasi siya, ako may naiisip pa akong isa, yung chlorination or halogenation of alkanes, pero that will require another idea or concept. And we will learn that sa basics of organic chemistry. Yung mga formation ng radicals, etc. Sa ano na yun? Sa next topic na siya or next chapter. So we'll just review here combustion ng alkanes. And patapos na ito. Parang alkanes in nature and in our organisms, no? In biological systems. Okay? So, ayan. I hope you learned something today, no? Na-cover na natin yung lahat ng fused rings, bicyclo, bridgehead bicyclic alkanes, and then spiro. So, those are not taught in school. Hindi yan usually part ng curriculum, Josh. And if you will notice, hindi din yan usually part ng mga books. Tingnan mo yung mga books ng, kahit nga yan sila Solomon's na, yung mga magagandang books na, usually they will not include discussion sa mga bicyclo, spiro. Hindi yan masyado sinasama. Pero dahil sabi ko nga, special curriculum ka, yan, sinama ko na yan. Okay? So I'll see you on Saturday, Josh, ha? Regards to your dad. Kuya Jay, sige po, see you sa Saturday.
Sige po, thank you po.
Thank you, Josh. Sorry, ano na po ako, nakapag-extend kami ng 8 minutes. Sige po.
Sige po,
Salamat po. See you on Saturday, Josh. Enjoy the rest of the day.
kaya na po. Bye-bye po.